Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today I want to share a healthy post-workout breakfast which is nothing but Paneer veg sandwich. You can have this for breakfast or as a snack. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a pan, add 10 grams of butter, spread it well and heat it. Then add 1 chopped onion and fry the onion pieces till golden brown. Then add half chopped capsicum pieces and cook the capsicum pieces till soft. Now add 2 small grated carrots and 1 small grated beetroot and cook the carrot and the beetroot till soft and mushy. Add some water into it and cook till all the water is completely absorbed. Now add grated low-fat paneer and mix it well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, some pink salt, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon green chili sauce. Mix all these things well. Yes, our sandwich mix is ready. Now take 2 multigrain bread slices and apply the paneer veg mixture on one slice. Spread it well and cover it with the other slice. Press it well on all sides and keep it aside. Repeat the same process with the other 2 slices. Now grease the grill pan with very little amount of butter and heat it. Then place the 2 prepared sandwiches on it. Press it well and cook for a minute on one side. Now flip them over. Apply some butter on it and cook for a minute on the other side. Our sandwiches are ready. Take them out and cut the sandwiches diagonally. See, it looks so yummy. Now our healthy paneer veg sandwich is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.